Welcome friends. In this daily Bitcoin technical analysis, I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin and I will tell you my next price target of Bitcoin. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to get Binance Exchange $700 bonus, just go to in this video's comment section and in this video's description where you can get this link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. When you create Binance account with my link, in that case you will get $700 bonus, which is absolutely free. But for this you have to deposit. And if you want to get $1,600 bonus, which is absolutely free from Bybit Exchange, in that case you have to click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. And one more thing which is very important, if you click on this link and register with my affiliate link and create your Binance account, in that case on every trade you will get 25% of fees discount. Let's dive into the content. Bitcoin is currently at $36,000 and after hitting below $34,683, Bitcoin pushed back and now it is trying to break $36,300 resistance, which is very important resistance right now. Now this is very important zone, $34,800, and this zone $35,000. This is these are very strong support zone for the Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is trying to break this horizontal resistance. Once Bitcoin break this horizontal resistance, our target will be like this. $37,500, you can say $37,500 or $37,800, 37,523, or this will be the target, and this will be this resistance zone, which is very strong resistance right now. You can say our target is this zone. $37,500. Once Bitcoin break this zone, $36,300 with 4 hourly candle closing, in that case $37,500 is our target. And if unfortunately Bitcoin fails to break this, in that case Bitcoin can go down again $35,000. If Bitcoin fails to break this, in that case Bitcoin will go down to this zone. And if Bitcoin break these both support zones, in that case our target, downside target will be, sorry for that. Friends, please keep supporting me and please do me a favor. If you are new, please subscribe my channel, because I do daily technical analysis and give price prediction and price target of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin break these both support zones, in that case it can go down to $33,900 or maybe $33,800. But the major support is at $33,400. We have to look at these two levels. The first level is $36,300. If Bitcoin break this, in that case $37,500 will be our target. And if Bitcoin fails to break this zone, in that case, and if Bitcoin Bitcoin can hit easily 35,000. And if Bitcoin break 35,000 and $34,800 support zone, in that case it can go down to $33,900. But just you have to look on these two levels, 36,300. If Bitcoin break this, 37,000 is very near 37,500. And if Bitcoin break these both support zones, in that case Bitcoin can go down to $33,900. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Bitcoin is trying to break this EMA ribbon. It is at $36,300 at the same point where horizontal resistance is existing. If Bitcoin break these zones, in that case definitely $37,500 is very near. Let me please show you the volume. There is very less volume. That is why Bitcoin is Bitcoin is moving sideways. Let me please show you VPVR. There are very good tower of VPVR is at $36,200, $36,500, and $36,800, $37,000, and $35,900, and $35,700. $35,700 to $37,500. This is the main area where most of the buying and selling orders are waiting to execute. Once Bitcoin break this zone, $35,800, in that case it can go down to $33,900. And once Bitcoin break this zone, $37,500, in that case it can easily hit 40,000 again. We have to wait. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you RSI. RSI is ready to cross 50. It is at 48. If it cross 50, it means price of the Bitcoin will go high and will move towards upside, and definitely it is a good sign for the Bitcoin price and growth. This is my technical analysis, friends. If you like this, then please thumbs up the like button right now. And if you want to get Binance Exchange $700 bonus, just go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. This link you can find in this video's comment section too. Just click on this link and create your account with my affiliate link. In that case, you will get $700 bonus, which is free. But for this, you have to deposit some bonus, some BTC and some amount. And if you want to get Bybit $1,600 bonus, in that case you have to register with my affiliate link. This is my Bybit affiliate link. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds of your life. And one more thing is that if you trade with my affiliate, if you create your account with my affiliate link, and if you trade on Binance with this in this account, in that case you will get 25% fees discount on every trade. This is my technical analysis, friends. Bitcoin is trying very hard to break $36,300 to move towards upside. Maybe Bitcoin can move to hit 36,800, and after that it will go down. But all eyes are on this level, which is $36,300. Once Bitcoin break this, I can say Bitcoin can hit $37,500. And if Bitcoin fails to break this zone, in that case Bitcoin can go down to $35,000, $34,800. And if Bitcoin break $34,800 level, in that case Bitcoin can go to $33,900. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care, friends. Take care.